Hi, and welcome to Flow with Darja. Thank you for joining me today for this short, deep rest yoga Nidra practice to reset your nervous system, your mind, and create more peace and calm in your everyday life, within yourself and within the world around you. Take your time to get completely comfortable, laying down, supported from the underneath. You might want to grab a blanket and a pillow under your head or your knees. Take any support or props that you might need to get completely comfortable. Close down your eyes and notice if there's anything that you can do to get a little bit more comfortable. Adjusting your hips, shoulders, arms, head and neck. Let's start by taking 5 deep breaths. 2 sips of air in through your nose and long exhaling through your mouth, nice and long, letting any tension drain from your body with your out breath. Inhale for 2 and exhale, letting go. Inhale. 3 more, just like that. With every out breath, feel the comforting heaviness spread through your body. Last one. Good. Allow yourself to completely settle into the support of the earth beneath you. And allow your attention beginning to take in the room around you, the sounds in your space, and the sounds of this recording. Let your jaw soften, your tongue, relaxing all the little micro muscles behind your eyes. Notice your left ear, listening to the sounds. Your right ear, listening. Sounds arising and dissolving. Now begin bringing your awareness to the body parts as I say the name of the body part, allowing my voice to become your voice, leading you through the exploration of your physical self. Settling into the deep relaxation. As you're being guided, remain still, observing your body, feeling and listening. Bring your awareness to your tongue. Feel the tip of your tongue. And moving to the root of your tongue. Feel the teeth and the gums, the roof of your mouth, inside of your right cheek, inside of your left cheek, the lower lip, the upper lip. Sense the air on the tip of your nose, your nostrils, the right eye, and all the little muscles behind the eye. The left eye, and all the little muscles behind the eye. Sensing your whole face, bring your awareness to your right thumb, first finger, second finger, third, and a little finger. The palm of the hand, the back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the sense of your neck, right side of your torso, right hip, the thigh, front and back, the knee, the shin and the calf, the ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, all the 5 toes on your right foot. Bring the attention now to the whole right hemisphere of your body, alive and radiant with sensation. Now bring your awareness to the left thumb, first finger, second finger, third, and a little finger, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, and sense of your neck. Left side of your torso, left hip, the thigh, front and back, the knee, the shin and the calf, the ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, all the 5 toes of the left foot. And now the whole left hemisphere of the body, alive, warm, vital. And now sense the whole body globally, the whole front of the body, the whole back of the body, the whole right side of the body, and the whole left side, the surface of the body, and all of the space, volume, trillions of cells within the interior of the body. Sensing the subtle movement of the breath within the body. Could you feel the rise and fall of the breath at the center of the navel? The natural rhythm of your breath. And from sensing your breath in the navel, could you bring your awareness now to the center of your heart? Sensing the breath at the heart. And you may imagine that you can breathe in and out through the heart center now. And now, the center of your forehead. Once again, you might imagine you could breathe in and out to the center of the forehead. Just imagining breathing in, breathing out through the center of the forehead. And now, ever so gently, begin to welcome the sensations of the earth beneath you, beneath your body. The sense of environment around you. The sounds, not just hearing, but listening, receptive and open. Begin to sense your surroundings. And as you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Begin to gently and slowly move your fingers and toes. Perhaps a full body stretch. You might nod the head, taking as much time as you need before transitioning back to your waking life. Take some time to be slow and easy before diving into anything too active or stimulating. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to hear from you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you soon in the next video.